Mastering possessive pronouns. Own your English. Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of English grammar, specifically focusing on possessive pronouns. By the end of this video, you should have a strong understanding of what possessive pronouns are and how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. Possessive pronouns are used in English to indicate ownership or possession. They are words like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. These words can stand alone and do not require a noun after them. For example, if someone asks, "Whose book is this?" you can say, "It's mine," instead of, "It's my book." Note that its is rarely used in this context because we often use it for objects and it's not common to ask for an object's possession. One thing to remember is that possessive pronouns always refer back to a noun mentioned earlier. They help avoid repetition and make our speech or writing more efficient. For instance, instead of saying, "This is John's car and that is Sarah's car," we can say, "This is John's car and that is hers," where hers refers to Sarah's car. Now, it's time for some practice with multiple choice questions. This exercise will help solidify your understanding and use of possessive pronouns. 1. This is not your key. It must be underscore 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 underscore. 2. A. Her. 3. B. Hers. 4. Circa she's. 5. D. She. 6. These aren't my glasses. They're underscore 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 underscore. 7. A. Your. 8. B. Yours. 9. Circa your. 10. D. You. Remember, the correct answer will be a possessive pronoun, and it should make sense in the context of the sentence. Let's review the answers. 1. The correct answer is B. Hers. The key belongs to her, so we use hers to indicate possession. 2. The correct answer is B. Yours. The glasses belong to you, so we use yours to indicate possession. Fantastic job, everyone! I hope this video has made possessive pronouns clearer for you. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any aspect of language learning. Keep practicing and you'll have these down in no time. Thanks for watching and happy learning!